Hello, this is Tasha from Packaging Machinery Company. Today, I'd like to introduce a compact horizontal packing machine with a small footprint. This packing machine can package candy, cookies, and chocolates. Then let's take a look at the details of this machine. This is the automatic feeder. Can feed the cookies to the tier store. And we can adjust here and here to adjust the width and height to match your cookies. And this is the Inkwheel Printer. Can print the production date on the raw film. And then the machine will pour the film. Then cut the film and output the finished product. This is the finished product. Then let's take a look at the machine running. Please send us more inquiry to get more details. Bye bye.